Happy hump day, everyone. I had forgotten Kylie has a doctor appointment, and I wanted to pop on in here right quick, play with our new toy. So I already put on my primer. This side, I have the new hydrating primer that launches October 1st. This side is our glorious primer, and I have eye primer on my eyes and my lips. Hold on, let me get my fake background going. So how many of you guys saw the spray foundation? I kind of got blasted everywhere last night. So last night we sprayed it first on the kabuki brush, and then Mr. Lover, you know, covered my tattoo. I was like, where'd my tattoo go? And most of you guys voted for Team Spray over Team Stipple. But a face is different than a tattoo. So I figured we'd go in here and try both ways. And then I want to show you guys a super quick eye look. Okay? So remember, when you get your new spray foundation, you give it a good shakety shake vigorously. And this is the second time I've played with it. You know, I have directions. It just says shake vigorously for 30 seconds. Okay, let's make sure the fan's not on me. Okay, so let's just spray directly on my face. Okay. Remember, less is more with this. And suggested brush is the kabuki brush. Wow, that covered the twin zit action pretty good. When you guys hop on, say hello so I can give you a shout out. Okay, I'm kind of digging that. What do you guys think? And I'm not even doing my dark circle hack. Okay. It is weird. It's like spraying spray paint directly on my face. I think it's the little ball noise. Like, hear it? It's kind of throwing me off a little bit. Okay, I like the spray way. It does have really good coverage. I do, however, when we use it as concealer, I think spraying a little bit directly on the brush is going to work. There we go. Oh my gosh. You guys are going to love this. You are going to absolutely love this. Yeah, that covered quite nicely, didn't it? Okay. Let's do my brows real quick. The liquid shadows, the September Kudos bundle ends next Tuesday, so less than a week, where you save almost 30% off. So please make sure you guys grab that. Now, a lot of you guys did just reorder mascara. Keep in mind, Christmas is, well, whatever holiday you celebrate. We celebrate Christmas. Christmas is coming, and you do get basically the lash primer is free in the bundle. You choose your mascara, you pick 2 liquid shadows, you get the lash primer, and you get my absolute favorite bag, as Betty Ann said last night in her live in her VIP group, her Chanel inspired bag for free. See? And okay, I'm a zipper girl. How many of you guys are zipper girls? I like zippers in my purses, and it has zippers, so you could hide things in it. Love it. Okay. I really like this spray foundation. And, of course, I did not grab my bronzer or nothing else. What is up, Lacey? And Deborah, Kathy, hello, hello. Okay, let's get a little surreal. You know, got to match the hair, because I'm using a coral liquid shadow that is going to totally clash with my hair. Okay, look. Spraying it on. I just noticed that. Spraying it directly on my face enhanced my under eye wrinkles. Now, I did not put concealer on because it launches in 6 days. So I'm going to be trying all kinds of different things. Let me know, you know, what you guys want to see, and we shall play. Okay? I was asked, get off my face here. I was asked last night how the pre-order list works, so I'll explain that. Hello, Brittany. While I get exalted, if you already know your color in the stick or the liquid foundation, the spray is going to be the same color. I grabbed Eyelet. Right now I'm actually wearing chiffon, but allegedly it's fall right now. So allegedly it's going to start cooling off. And it's going to be time to kind of bump down a foundation color. So I'm going to suggest, I mean, you could totally buy two. Like, I totally don't mind if you grab two, but I'm going to suggest bump down for your, you know, cold color, you know, winter type color. And goodness, it is so hot. See, I'm always hot. I'm over this heat. And if you need to like spruce anything up a little bit, just use bronzer or double your liquid shadows to add a little color to your face. Oh, okay, let me curl my lashes right quick. What is everyone up to today? Mr. Lover went back to work. Okay, I love my husband dearly, as you guys know, but when he's home, I cannot blast my music. Okay, I'm a punk rock girl. I love blasting my music loud. I focus better. And when he's here, like, I just have to be quiet, okay? I'm not the type that likes to, like, be forced to be quiet. But yes, he is back at work today. Okay, this is Ornate. So these are the two colors that I did not initially order because it was 5 a.m. and I was camping. And these are actually my two favorite colors. If you are just starting out with eyeshadow, you need to get these liquid shadows, ladies. Okay? There's no brush required. You could blend it with your fingers. Okay, look at the wand on these. It's so easy and quick to apply. Like, I'm just doing a quick, I gotta pick my kids up and take Kylie to the doctor's today. You know, yeah. Mom life. Well, my poor daughter, she's 12, and I know you guys have seen my pictures of my skin pre-Younique. I had horrific acne, like beyond, like really bad acne. I too got teased a lot in school when I was younger. And Kylie, my precious little baby, she gets bullied and picked on a lot. So we're going to the doctor today. She was on an antibiotic for her acne, and I think her body got used to it because it's not really working anymore. So we're going today to see what the other options are for Kylie. See, I'm not used to using my finger, but okay, you see how easy these apply and blend? See, now I gotta try and make them even. Now I gotta make it even. Yeah, these shadows are awesome. See, look, you could, even though I just put Surreal on, double it as a blush. And a couple of you guys that I saw your names when you hopped on, you guys already grabbed these in the September bundle, and I would love to see pictures because I would rather share your pictures than other pictures. I need lash pictures, you guys. If anyone has any lash pictures, we'll double that as like a bronzer contour. I mean, they're super fun, okay? They're super fun, super versatile. That spray foundation rocks. Okay. I'm going to put on, I'm using this because I didn't grab my setting powder. So I'll use the Beachfront. I have a couple of these left, by the way, the Prep and Prime all-in-one, the chilling powders. So if, you know, I have a couple left from people that ordered and they just, you know, life happened. I'm like, where did my lash primer go? Okay, so liquid shadows. Back to the spray foundation. Back to the spray foundation. Here, I'm only going to put lash primer on this side because that's something else I was asked. Like, what does lash primer really do for my lashes? Oh, there's my wonky lash. So annoying. I hate that. So I'll show you guys, you know, the difference on what the lash primer does. So I'll just put lash primer on this side. Okay, the spray foundation, I did open a pre-order list in here last night. If you do not know your color, just on the post, comment color match, and we will get you color match. I do have my beauty try-on room where you could try on any product on my website. But for color matching, just to be on the safe side, honestly, I would rather do, you know, one-on-one and color match you. Just to make sure. I also have another, like, quickie quiz that you could take. And, you know, I'm not perfect. I will be the first one to admit that. I do not get it spot on every single time. And if I oops, well, if we oops together, because I like to, you know, I like you guys to pick the color you like, let me know. I'll exchange it for you. We'll swap it out. No big deal. Okay, so that is with no lash primer. Just lash right that baby. Now, the lash primer, it goes on white, like Elsa style. Put your mascara on, kind of let it dry. Oh, that wonky lash is going to drive me crazy. So let it dry before you put on your mascara, okay? Oh, and you guys, your $5 off gift from Younique, that ends on Monday also. So if you have an account on my website, just log into your account and you get $5 off any product. It ends Monday. Make sure you guys use that, because I guarantee next Tuesday, October 1st, I'm going to get like 10 PMs. Oh, Renee, I decided I want to get another 4D mascara with my $5 off. It ends on Monday. It's only good for this month. So, and it's only for those of you that have an account on my site. Okay, do you see the difference that the lash primer makes? I mean, I still sound like I'm sick. I've been really congested still. But it's been so nice being off the couch. Okay, look at the difference the lash primer makes. Huge difference, right? Okay, I'm going to show you guys a quickie lippy, because I've been like dying to play with lipstick. It seems like we've been, you know, focusing on eyeshadows and stuff for like the past several months. Like, we haven't done lip stuff, and you guys know me, lip mix is my favorite thing. Yeah, lash primer, no lash primer. Okay, and I'll take a picture after, because pictures speak 1,000 words. Okay, so today we're getting loaded and swagger, okay? And I am going to use Pompous. And this entire look, you know, just keep in mind, I won't be sitting here yakking. This is an easy 5-minute look. Especially when you sharpen your liner first. Which I need to do right quick. Now, I don't know what the kudos is for October yet. I find out the same time everyone else finds out. So, again, what I'm going to do, for those of you that get on the pre-order, if the kudos, well, okay, I'm almost positive, ladies, the kudos is going to have the spray foundation. It may or may not have the brush. I'm really hoping that you get to pick a primer, because primer's a must. So I'm thinking that might be the kudos. I don't know, though. So if you're on the pre-order list and the kudos includes all of this at a lower price, even though I did discount all my custom bundles in the pre-order post, it's called Renee's Exclusive VIPs. I have a chat group, and it's very, very handy. So when I wake up to order, like if you're awake, you know, because it launches at 6 a.m. I wake up at 5 to get in line. Like, you guys don't even have to wait in line. It's hard to talk and lip, sorry. So, And if you want to get the Kudos bundle instead, let me know. Okay, payment, I do need payment Monday night. I have a feeling that the spray is going to sell out super quick because it's already been making waves. It's like a technologically advanced, I mean, look at the coverage, you know. And for those of you guys hopping on, I sprayed it directly on my face today. And then I also did this just so you guys could kind of see, and showed you guys a quick liquid eyeshadow look. But there you go, Swagger and Loaded. Let me show you the colors. So I put Loaded in the center. I put Swagger on the outside. See, I'm sticking with my theme to match my hair. I love, this is my favorite lipstick color. Where's Stephanie at? Where you be, Stephanie Bruce? Yeah, Swagger's my favorite color. So, super easy, simple, quick look. Liquid shadows, okay? You get to pick 2 in the bundle. Like, this is only for those of you that like saving money. Because I know that not everyone in this world likes saving money. I am very frugal and love saving money. The September Kudos bundle, you pick 2. There we go. You pick 2. You pick the mascara. I miss the purple mascara. You pick the mascara you want. You get a lash primer. You get that super cute Chanel inspired purse. Thank you for letting me gink that line Betty ad. You're going to want to get on the pre-order list for the spray foundation. If you need a color match, let me know. You could also go to my website, try everything on, but these products are super quick. They're going to get you out of the house. They're buildable. It's going to stay on all day. This does not transfer. I blew my nose last night right before I took my face off, because after my live last night, we made dinner and brownies, and oh God, I'm going to sneak a brownie before I get the kids. It honestly, it does not transfer. Doesn't clog your pores, super lightweight. Just like our liquid foundation, does not feel like you're wearing makeup. And I really like how quick and easy it is to apply. So something different, something new. Let me know what questions you have. I will post up there what I used in the comments. There we go. Woo! I love you guys. And brain fart, I love you guys. And I will talk to you soon. I have 4 purses, the Chanel inspired purses, by the way. I'm going to be like, I don't want them here. So, yeah, I'll be posting some fun giveaway info for sharing my videos, being an affiliate, and for those who get on the pre-order list. So with that said, have a fantastic day. It's lunchtime for those of us here in Cali, or Pacific time. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.